This model kit review is of the Porsche 962C, and this is a model by Hasegawa. It's a 1/24 scale model, and let's have a look at the rest of the box here. The picture, there's the dimensions. Let's have a look inside. So we have lots of parts that have already been taken mostly out of the plastic. So let's have a look at all the things that we have. First of our glass, here's our windshield, and the other glass pieces for the doors, lights and so on. Here is our body, and it's fairly well molded. Good level of detail. No real mold lines or flashing. Here we have our wheels, and the tires have been put on already. Tires are very nicely molded. They look a little rough. And same for the other side. This looks like this must be to hold the axles in place. Here we have our, looks like our cockpit with the driver's seat. And we have our wing. There's the other seat, I guess. Some different parts. Here's the other parts of the wing. And steering wheel, some other body parts here. All fairly well molded. Looks like our disc brakes there. And more disc brakes there, different colors. It's a little odd, but I don't know. Here's our chassis. Nothing really on that chassis. Here we have our wheel parts. Here's our dashboard, mirrors, and pretty parts of the suspension. Here are our lights. Here we have our decals, still reasonably good condition. Looks like that's mostly for the wheels. Here are the other decals. Those are already in good condition there. Let's have a look at our instructions. So, start off here at number 1. We start to build the chassis. 2, put the wheels together. 3, put them on the chassis. 4, we build the cockpit. 5, the dashboard goes on, as well as some body parts. And then the cockpit goes into the body, along with the lights. And next is the glass pieces there, number 7. And number 8, some additional body parts. 9, I build the tail. And looks like there might be some work to do there. Then the body goes onto the chassis. And here are the painting and decal guides. And the colors needed. So all in all, it'll be a good model to build. Some detail, the decals are nice. Not a lot of detail in terms of engine or anything else.